You can give the Lord a dance in this place. Come on.
Hey guys, welcome back to your best lessons. In today's video, I'll be breaking down this whole baseline for you. I recently did a part 1 of this video. If you haven't watched that, after this video, you see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link and go check that out, okay? I do private class lesson. If you're interested, you see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link to take you direct to my WhatsApp, okay? Grab your bass and let's begin with the tutorial. As you all know, the song was played on key G. Let me break down the intro for those who might have the interest to learn it, okay? So it goes like this. Okay, so 6 1 3 5 6 5 4 3 and back to your 4 4 6 1. Okay, so 3 4 3 1 2 1. Then you start again. 6 1 3 5 6 5 4 3. Okay, so now let's jump into the main groove. So at the starting, the bass line started on your do. That is your 1. It didn't start from the la. Okay. Okay, so that is da, 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 da. Okay, so 1 5 1 4 3. The ghost notes will make the groove more better. Okay, so I want you to listen to the ghost note. Okay, that is on your 4 4 3. Okay, so on your 4 again. Okay, 1 4 4 4 4 4 4 2 5 7 1. Okay, okay, that is to your 7 and 1. 7 1 7 1. Okay, now to your 3. So here you start from your 6. The same pattern on your, you do it here. Okay, so 3 6 6 6 6 6 2 5 4 3. Okay, 4 2 5 5 1. Okay, so now you can now start from your la. That is your 6. Okay, 6 2 5 4 3 1 1 4 4 4 4 4 4 2 5. The passing note. That is 1 2 5 1. Then you do it again. Okay, now you want to end the song, but this is how the bassist played it. This is how you can end the song. Okay, so it's the same as okay, so 5, that is 4, 6, 2 sharp, 2, and your 5, okay, and your 5, 1. You understand? And the third one, the same groove, okay. Now from 1 to your 6, okay, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 5, 6, 6, 2, 3, 3, 3, 6, okay. Okay, 2, 3, 5, 3, okay. Okay. Then you do the normal groove. 2, 5, 4, 3. You understand? This is how we ended here. So, okay, so 2 ways to end the song. And the second one, you should put this in mind. Okay, so 4, 4, 4, 4, 6, 4, 4 sharp, and your 5, 5, 1. You understand? Then let's jump to the second groove. Okay, 1. Now to your 4. So 1, 3, 4, and back to your 1. 5, 2, 5, 1. Now to your 2. To your 5. So 6, 2, 2, 2, 6, 2, 5. Now we're on 5 progression. 2, 5, 1. Back to your 1. Okay, so you saw me adding a 3 progression. So when you've done with your 1, you understand? Because the first one was like this. Now the second one, you saw that I'm adding the 3. Okay, so okay, so he went it this way. 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4. Then you do your octave, maybe your ghost note. Then your 3, 5, 6, 2, 4, 5, 1. You understand? So you can even apply those 2 ending I taught you. So you see it fits. Or okay, so now let's jump to the second one. So it goes like this. 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 4. You cannot apply that bass line on your 2. I want to make it simple for you. Okay, so 6, 2, 2, 6, 2, 5, 2, 5, 7, 1. Now, me coffee. So, me coffee, this is what I play. Okay, 1, 1, 1, 6, 5, 1. Now to your 4, 3, okay, 4. So 2, 2 sharp and your 3. Okay, then you end the song. 4, 6, 4, 2, 5, 5, 1. Then you can now start with the main groove. You understand? Okay, so take this bass line very serious. As you all know, I don't teach how to play song, but this bass line can be used in other song out there. That is why I normally use song for my lessons. Okay, so the way to end a song I've just taught you, and the groove from your 1 to your 6. This is some of my things I added. It's no importance now. You just need to learn the main thing from this song. Then there you go. Okay, so guys, I'll be posting the rest within this week or next week. I don't want you to miss any. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.